So, ayan guys. So, I'm just documenting this video again because I will be going to Manila now. I'm just waiting for Chef Doy to arrive kasi makikisabay lang ako sa kanila. Going to Manila. So, naka-van kami. Kasi talagang ang hirap mag-book ng bus dito. 2 months pala. Ngayon ko lang nalaman kasi for the past years kasi yung pandemic, lalo yung pandemic, parang 2 Christmas akong hindi nakauwi. And then, yung last year, talagang I prepared a lot for my trip. Kaya talagang nakapag-book ako. But this year, talagang nahirapan ako kasi I have been traveling. I have been all around the place. So, yan. So, yun yung na-miss out ko. And then, the last time kasi, parang last 2 weeks ago, nasa Manila ako. And the transportation was arranged by our main office. Kaya talagang wala ako masyadong ganap doon. So, now, yun. I'm actually prepared already. Everything is, packed properly. Yan. So, after today, siguro mga bukas na kami makakarating na Manila because we've heard na talagang ang hirap at ang traffic going to Manila sa mga ganitong season. And then, siguro 22, 23, 24, 25, until 27th of December, I will be staying in Manila, in Las Piñas with my daughter. And then, on the 28th, I will be flying to Cebu and I will be back January 3. And then 4, balik na ako dito sa Naga. And yun, naibook ko yung bus ko pa-uwi dito. So, buti meron pang available seats na preferred ko. Actually, marami namang bus na available pa na pwede mong i-book pa Manila. Pero ako kasi may preferred bus and may preferred seat ako talaga. Because 9 hours is such a long time for travel na talagang kailangan you have to be comfortable with your seats, with everything. Kaya talaga may preferred bus and seat number. So, ayan. So, yun. Siguro mga January 5 naman, I'll be arriving here na in Naga. And then, I think I still need to confirm, no? On January 6 naman. Alam mo yung kararating mo lang ng 5. Aalis ka na naman ng January 6. But it still has to be confirmed, no? I still need to confirm it first. Pero yun yung alam ko, the last update that I got is I'll be leaving again on the 6th of January. So ayan, so I'm just waiting for Chef Doy to arrive and bababa ko lang yung aking mga things para may kumakatok.